Abu Trica case on ye na ye betimi asua na ma fi Abu Trica case. Ghana constitution no wo right say ye chewa wo be ka se menkasa because omo macho na ye police for no prosecutors no omo na mra ne mo adwuma so omo prosecute case ntia wo beyond reasonable doubt, which is all right against self-incrimination. Into better America for sure movie mukra no maka ye buso obi atimo say I plead the fifth because omo faith amendments no emma obia sa to me na Ghana constitution no e de mayen so ye bi no say all right against self-incrimination. Into better make say menkasa minim Abu Trica de obusa no ansa na all courts na TV3 akoye sa interview no because wa conducting no nyina kama until then. Because he said, "Ukotna bonting na ukasa." The entire America say, "Omo constitution, omo bibi e wo mu ye friend Miranda rights." Ghana so you will be say police for chewa. All right say was ye chira wo the entire ye chew. Na o charges ko edu e dey bo entire ye chew. America for so Miranda rights and also chese ye chewa. E was so mu read o Miranda rights chira wo. Sa some national America movie man no police for children so you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to legal counsel. Sa some na your mokano your friend Miranda rights. Enti wo Abu Trica sa America for say why you bone wa America no match wa you wo right to remain silent. When you go TV station wa ko kasa no America for say if you say anything they can use it against you in the court of law. Now the issue they say as someone Abu Trica ko kan in interview in TV3 no police for na wa America no betimi use FBI for no betimi they can evidence wa against him and the question ejina court no so whether or not court no be gia to man usually so wa ko TV3 no na wan kasa ko kan say oh sika ne de e bi be kan sa why because I feel na FBI for no come go your homework o akoko tako prove say sika na fi ha ene ko ha na be kan sa you don't have to prove anything. In fact you don't have to even defend yourself. E was so more establish your case prima facie case say the lawyer for be kan was so mutumi kire say the say wa ko wie sika why your money laundering why your romance scam your key ingredient to ho na man ba no ka say we dey why your romance scam abc the oka say be akoprove ni nyina na ka ba akokra no man prove am case na de so muntu mi fa nkotum no no nti wo kotena radio station ko ka sika de bi kan wa ma FBI for na adwuma kra yemre it means nyama kakra na omo won which is omo evidence bia wa ma omanya ba akon free e de abeka ho say wan koye interview no enka they have to prove beyond reasonable doubt say ampa o ye romance scam ampa ubo utiri mu pone nkrofo ye kana na se mbo ye romance scam indeed mo ye romance scam na wo so ni nyino mo kire evidence e chese ai mo ye romance scam ena sika no bi be kan won sa what you say we there what try as there no shortcut am say ai sika no because the moment I be admit say sika no bi be kan won sa chese romance scam process no ka ho ena e be kan won sa why you homework na mo why Abu Trica why wama obusuan fosu wama lawyer akredi arrow because that interview I don't know so consulting a lawyer you shouldn't have done that interview. You see no mo ka say oh FBI for ade no mutumi ba Ghana be chinkofo no FBI for nka so mo otumi wo Ghana o Ghana is sovereign country omo nka so mo otumi wo Ghana omo say omo de omo ti on baby say wo nipa bi koye bone against Americans omo interest omo e na wa Abu Trica na nka sa unsu interview no chese ai makoye bibi ai America for sika ene sika ne bi bedi wo na just America for mu interest abam into omo ma Ghana say by force omo ba Ghana omo ni Ghana for wo that's why I'm person obi abema ye dey asemu ya politics no omo anka say omo ba chi obi o Ghana mo so omo ne Ghana police ni yokofo na ye adwuma into omo investigate we nya first time nkofo omo wia cars ba Ghana omo ye some investigation na omo tracy cars ni bi abedu Ghana ma beje enya de ye nne nko a mind you Ghana ye ne America for prisoner exchange agreement nti FBI for oman ba Ghana say obi ama omo kwan omo ne Ghana wa agreement nti no omo ba Ghana ha be che omo no there are so many occasions omo ba abechi nkrofo nti no asem na Abu Trica ka so o siwo court no omo be di atwen because again Ghana constitution so ma obi a ye Ghanaian citizen the right to due process ti we fa due process no afa the court no say to mean stop extradition in the ane court America so constitution so mo bia the right to due process just say the fact say they are good look do America nin say odifo there be still America constitution nin say was say FBI for no any say state department number prosecute so mo be because me I've seen his charges e be a federal offenses ebi so ye state offenses but ni nyina mu no emra ne say e wo say wonya due process nti your rights of a lawyer wa America or right a lawyer ni di na semma no or right a full process obefa ni nyina mu ju ye be hwe say their case be play out. But I think the brave also no so share omo a omaye romance scam ni be de ko adu abo omo ade omo extradite omo from Ghana to America now before FBI for do be do court nko na to omo a chunk of evidence against you because almost sorry keken kochi obi yen twen na yen hu how the legal process now of America will play out for him.